We all have to learn to appreciate and respect one another, because there is a universe to learn from every individual. Never underestimate what another human being can teach you. You know, there's so much to learn from everyone. We all exist under a different fingerprint, and we are all, every individual human being is a history of experiences. I know that people tend sometimes to when they don't know someone, to underestimate them. And I like to encourage folks, before you shun anyone, learn who the hell you're shunning. Okay. Learn who the hell you're shunning, because you may be cheating yourself out of some very valuable information. I treasure having learned so much from the people that you least expected. I have learned from drug dealers. I have learned from drug addicts. I have learned from welfare mothers. I have learned from fellow prisoners. I have learned from scholars. Okay, that's right, some scholars. I have learned from different kinds of people, who today, all of those different kinds of people make Carlito. How Carlito thinks, and how Carlito paints, and how Carlito fights.